don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go.
Hello everyone and welcome back. My husband and I are celebrating 7 years of marriage. I wanted to share our DIY date night with all of you. I have lots of wonderful ideas, so stick around, stay tuned. So I wanted to do a crudité tray for our date night. Pretty much I wanted to have all finger foods so it can be very romantic and very relaxing. So I pretty much chose items that we really like. I know on a crudité bar or a crudité tray, they have so many different items that you can actually choose from meats to nuts, apples, fruits, vegetables. So pretty much I just choose what we like through those different areas to create our crudité tray. And pretty much you just have fun with it. You just put what you like to eat and what your husband or your friend likes to eat also. So pretty much we stuck with ham, cheeses, strawberries, different sweets and different types of finger foods. These croissant rolls right here that I picked up, they were delicious. I got those from Walmart. I know on some crudité trays, some people only use just crackers and pretzels and things like that. But I had wanted to incorporate it some actual bread, so I did those everything croissants, and oh my god, they were so good. And I also did bagel chips instead of crackers and pretzels. I love avocados and I love guacamole. So I know that some people put dips on their crudité trays. So I went with some guacamole, and I believe that guacamole was by Sabra, and that was very delicious. I normally make my guacamole homemade, but I was just trying to do everything stress free. It was our special day, and I did not want to have to be in the kitchen just slaving over anything. So I bought the Sabra guacamole, and oh my god, it is very, very good. So if you ever want a very quick to go guacamole, try the Sabra brand. Their brand is delicious and it tastes homemade. The punch that I'm getting ready to create is very simple. I took some canned pineapple and I poured just half of it in there. No accurate measurements, just to taste. And I also did some canned mango, half of that, and I also did a little bit of orange juice. Very simple. And you can do either ginger ale or Sprite. You do half of that. So you just do equal parts of all your juices, and then you would just combine it all together with some ice. Quick, simple, and delicious. I pretty much do all of my punches to taste. I never do accurate measurements. That's just me. I do everything by taste. So you can add any fresh fruit of your choice. You can do strawberries, you can do apples, lemons. You can also do blueberries. We love strawberries, so I decided to add strawberries to our drink of choice. When I was setting our table, I wanted to go with the beach theme. We didn't go out of town this year for our anniversary, so I wanted to bring the beach to us. So pretty much I used some plates and cups from Dollar Tree that I purchased, beach theme goblets and beach theme plates. I also just set my table up plain and simple. I put everything, all of my crudité trays, my punch, I put everything in the center. If you are curious about where we purchased our DIY canvases from, we also purchased them from Etsy, from Paint Parties. Paint Parties have affordable and very nice and good quality canvases. If you're looking for date nights, girl nights, any type of family event, you can get all your canvases from them, and they are very good quality. They come real quickly, and they have so many varieties and choices.
Stars with the love so bright, you and me must do something right.